Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to configure a strict domain into Helpdesk. So let's see about it, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Helpdesk restrict domains. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Helpdesk app, go to configuration menu and see here this menu restrict domains. Now create here like gmail.com and another is a twitter.com. Let's say now go to tickets, go to anyone and see here this Anita's email is example.com. It means example.com is not matched with my created domains, and when I try to send mail then display validation error that email domains example.com is not allowed. Now go to website and create new ticket, screen issue and submit, then display same validation, and now I say gmail.com and submit. So see here, your created is successfully matched with my created domains. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.